Keep the housewives are on the field.
I just want to talk!